Hi, Xposed. The name is Bembro. Subscribe, share, me the 2 man now on sa Akabi. Ralph and Seme by 7 Crawford try to defend, especially the government from the government position. I find it strange, very strange. Kwasia Jimmy, I say, can't say Jimmy now, Jimmy knows why Kwasia. And then Matty said, some committee in the committee, they didn't call the nurses. Now, and then, video we have a chance upon the PRO of Nurses Association. Okay, different version. Let's go and listen.
Okay. So on that Monday morning, I go to work and I see a very traumatized rotation nurse. Rotation nurse is not a nurse. Okay. And when I say it's not a nurse, just for the understanding of the people I'm serving also, because remember that I'm not just a nurse here, nurse PRO. So I'm serving the public and I'm serving the nurse. So I'm supposed to be very unbiased. So a rotation nurse is not a nurse. It's a nurse that has completed school, has passed, and is coming to work 1 year under supervision. And the people who have clinically worked for years, gather experience, finish, and go and practice. So she's even not on the payroll.
Right.
So let's get this straight.
Okay.
So I get there, I see a very traumatized nurse, and I see my hospital PRO standing by her.
Okay.
I'm like, then she's like, Sarah, come here. I'm like, hey, this is PR issue. Once you are done, I'll bring her to my office at the research unit, and my head at the time was Didi Saragani. Then we will have an appreciation of what happened. So she finished hers, and then the girl comes. And I said, no, lady, I don't want you alone. Give me everybody that was on duty on that day. So that it's not you that is talking to me, but it's a group of 10 people that is going to talk to me. And that's what they did. They all came to the research unit's office. Monday morning, 9:48 a.m. I didn't even let the one with the swings talk. I started with the triage nurses. And this time I was talking to Talata and Abigail. Talata, what happened? Then, because at the triage, we see the patient, allocate time, and get a doctor. So once you finish triaging the patient, you go and hand it over directly to a doctor. It's not like you have finished and you say, go and sit down and wait for the doctor to come. I mean, understand? I mean, you see why we have a case. So it's not like she finished and they went to dump somebody. I said, triage, bring your book. Let me say, because whatever you're going to say is, I have to make sure my boss understands this, the magnitude, because nursing is by rank. At the head of nursing level, she reports to CNMO Accra, DNS, Director General. So this is not a small thing. And they are all calling her. So as at 12 a.m., when I was still with them, they were asking for reports because DG needed something. And remember, Range Hospital responds to DG because we are under Ghana Health Service. And DG is Director General of Ghana Health Service. So it's like everybody that was coming, I was not looking at them. I was looking at my paymasters, the people that will query me and sack me on that Monday morning. Okay. So they come in and I then, please, when they brought the book, I saw that they have written only Ralph. I'm like, what? Where is the full name? Where is his card number? Where is his phone number? Sister Sarah, when he entered, and we asked, he said, that is not why he's here. So they should write whatever they want. And you didn't say that. Okay, then I wrote it down because I'm a researcher, so I have to make sure I'm writing the right things. So he pushed you aside. He said he will not respond to all the information the triage needs here to make a decision. Okay, so why did he enter Range Hospital emergency? That's what I asked the triage nurses. Because, of course, you are the people that sit close to that sliding door. You see the attitude. We have taught them how to handle patients, how they are coming in. People come in honorably. You talk to them honorably. People come in rowdy. Change your mood, darling. Because you see...
And be rowdy towards them.
Exactly.
That's what you train your nurses to do?
Yes, because... Listen.
Why?
Yes, I'm coming. You say, why? I say, let's build this case.
Because of time.
Because of time.
Yeah.
Then maybe we don't have time. Because at the end of the day, we have been beaten severally for 7 years. We have to change our tactics. Ghanaians don't like simple. Ghanaians don't like nurses who talk nicely. Ghanaians don't like people who respect them.
Is that so?
That is what in my job description, office. Because nobody...
So you tell your nurses when someone comes in rowdy, keep them in a rowdy
No. Say, you change your mood towards that.
This is what he's saying. Or check your what happened. I say the evidences. Also, I'm buying on my hospital. They call even not hell. People who are present. And they all gave versions said Ralph behaved violently to say Obadafo because of your Bodafo. So for those of you who think that Ralph is a hero, no, Ralph is a lunatic. He's a stupid man. He doesn't have brains. He's a lunatic. He needs to be taken to psychiatrist for them to check his mind, because the way he's behaving, he's making like a madman on the streets. And I wonder, say, Obada brawe chiana. Then so Obada there. Then so Jimmy Ebi see that. Because I wonder, Bema say now what you mean to Bema way for now or Jimmy no him say Jimmy no Jimmy then you have a problem. I'm not saying say our healthcare is good. I keep on saying say the whole country is in a mess. And the reason why it's in a mess, I keep on saying this is thinking. I agree in America and yet Jimmy to send around Jimmy. Me say the systems in Ghana are flawed. The constitution itself, which is the foundation that we all derive our powers from, no, it is flawed. Why am I saying that? Because the powers of the presidency is abnormally too much. It does not make sense. If you say after 1992 to now, it is a scam of it to change the constitution, amend it properly, not the way we want to, not how the politicians want to, but how to build Ghana and make a national policy instead of party manifesto. What I say? National policy. In the next 40 years, where do we want Ghana to go? Appointment of people at high places by the government, the CEOs, no? Because when these people are on process competitive, as somebody they can hire and fire without fear or favor. And now you can say the police are behaving like lamb ducks. They don't know what to do because their head, is being appointed by the presidency. That is what I'm talking about. Nyansa. And not the best of it. We don't need somebody to wake up and change Ghana. Ghana has laws. Yes, law here. The law will make sure. And until Obama will say, make sure your laws are working. Make your national institutions stronger. Every institution which is supposed to check the government or the president is being appointed by the president. How do they check the president? When you're in America and you Jimmy Semna Raphael, now say, what jata when you need to be a cow. And this in communicator now say, Yancha Ralph, you're going to.
And I agree with you that indeed the police should have an interest in curtailing the activities of Ralph. I find his activities repugnant. I find it unacceptable. And I'm a proud member of the National Democratic Congress. And I believe sincerely that even the government finds this unattractive. That's why he has been reported. So if you have any issues, call on the police CID to do their work. Based on the videos I watched, I am clear that the nurse was assaulted. That's why I believe so. And that's why I'm calling for the arrest of those who went to the hospital that day and for investigations to commence. And government is not standing on the way of the CID when it comes to looking for those people to arrest. But I agree. If you look at the content of the report, it tells you, Sewa, that indeed the committee did a very good job.
You see, Ralph actions are becoming an embarrassment for the government. So this is communication skills. When Ralph started, Mekacha said, this guy is no good. Obia Otimiko Jina 37 said, oh yeah, your friend said the same place. Oh yeah, your friend demonstration. Na obi ayare de ne ba obi sase na Ghana mwa bebrebe wuwa kwasia aboa be no se aboa be na se wo Ralph aboa be na se wo Ralph wotimi ja ka che se Ghana mwa bebrebe wuwa na ide na ko body so and then it's coming to bite you na ko mo feel say kwasia sem no ye it was one of no osanko back to rich you ne ko he no here.
He's not the one that did it. The guy is in a room. You're stopping him. He's not the one that did it. The guy came to assault me.
Engage him. You know who? We have a very important meeting. Go.
Which very important?
I don't waste my time on
What did you do to him?
You come to defend
What report did you get about him?
You will not
that
go
was yesterday.
I bet him. If you are a man, go and enter the meeting again.
But what did he do?
Look, I'm the
Where's
administrator.
Dr.
If he's a
Leslie?
man, you should go and enter the meeting again.
I'm recording it. I'm recording everything. Don't put your hands in my face. Don't put your hands in my face.
Leave the laws. 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 Don't do that.
I can tell you, put your hands in my face. Don't put your hands in my face. Are you stupid? Yes. And I did another one. I'm recording you.
You can do whatever you want to say.
I'm recording you.
Leave the laws. Leave the laws. Don't be walking the laws.
It's about yesterday. They're attacking us because of yesterday. The guy can attack me for no reason.
Calm down. Okay, calm down.
Obi, what did I? We didn't even say anything yesterday. You can't attack me today.
Some people behind him said, "Wait, only need Papa Yoya." You get them go there and obey me. Majority of you all.
No, I'm recording for evidence.
I come up with Boma, sir. Jimmy Onyayo, he thinks he is somebody. He thinks because of few people that he knows, he is somebody. But let me tell you, you won't conform to say Judge Ombai, they change the dynamics of Ghana. And no way. Is Ghana not still the same place? Revolutionary by yes, Ghana. It's Ghana because it's not about our actions, it's about making sure say the right institutions are working. America, it doesn't matter who is in charge, the system will work. How does it work? Because they make sure say they will fire you, not being backed by any political appointment. By your Kroma Sabe, or Bitimus Rhino catch us, say, Ralph, do you know me? Who are you? Lunatic. We need to be careful. If we keep on supporting people like Ralph, we will throw this country into an anarchy. Because a Jimmy for me to say Ralph, I'm to trust them. Ghana is a peaceful country. And with the youth, as much as people are suffering, we don't endorse what? Lawlessness. And Ralph should get this message clear. I have Xposed GHFM member, subscribe, share. Maybe 2 man now,